Okay, so now that the installation is completed, we're going to try something here really quick, okay? This is like a hardening test of everything. What I mean by that is, number one is I'm going to ask Calicio to please reboot the device. Make sure there's no network cable plugged in. So,
Unplug it.
Yep, you got it. And just reboot it with nothing but power. So unplug the power. So you just hard reset it. So he's unplugging the device as if he just had a power outage in one of the trucks. You got it, guys?
Plug it back in.
Plug it back in. Okay. Now what you see over there is there's a blue light on it again. So it auto repowers itself, right? So that means there's no monkeying around, no learning curve. You just unplug power and plug power back in. Okay.
Look, it's just staying connected.
Yeah. Well, here's the thing. It says it's still connected, but the green light that you see there that's connected only checks in every 2 minutes. So sometimes it's a false start like this because we don't want to, report every 10th of a second, right? So what you're going to see on your dashboard in SAM there is in about 2 minutes, it's going to go red for about a minute, right? Because it's going to say, well, but I want to check this with Arby and with you live, okay? So, so the first thing is, Arby, you're still showing your screen?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to go into, please, sign 3319. Okay. And check on the status of it on the right. It says next check-in was 59 seconds ago. So that means it missed its last check-in. I want you to refresh your screen now, Arby, because it's past 60 seconds now. So do a hard refresh. Yeah, okay, next check-in was a minute ago. Notice how it's still green? We do that because, if somebody's internet goes down, has a hiccup for a minute, we're not really that worried about it because the internet goes up and down nonstop all the time. You got it, guys? So we're going to give it 2 minutes. Okay? So this recording in total is only going to be about 3 minutes long, but it gives you an idea of the stuff that happens in the background. So click on network. Okay, Arby? And what you'll see over on the right-hand side here is that right now it's set to wired. See that? Active connection is wired. So the last time it connected out to the world, it was hardwired. Okay? Now, go back to general. Arby? Okay. And what I want you to do is I want you to refresh your page. Do a hard refresh. Control F5. You see it went down. So what we're doing here is we're giving it this 1 minute check. Everybody understand? Now here's a trick, Arby, and I think you know the trick already. I want you to go to the remote control. See down? Oh, online. Okay, there it is. So it's next checking in 60 seconds from now, so it just checked in. Now click on network. Okay, look over on the right, and what connection is it on? Wi-Fi. Yeah. So its active connection is Wi-Fi.
Yep.
So, Calicio, is this plugged into your network now in any way?
Nope.
Nope, it's not connected. Just run over Wi-Fi.
Run over Wi-Fi right now.
Did you have to program it for your Wi-Fi?
Nope. You guys did.
I did. Yeah, we did. Okay.
It's ready to go.
So the only thing you've had to do to that thing completely is plug in power.
Plug in power. And then just contact you guys to say set it up.
Yeah.
And even with the hard line, it was already wired.
Yeah.
So it was I'm in SAM. So
Yeah.
I was able to see it. So
Yeah.
I get over, do whatever I wanted to do. So if there's a hard line truck,
yeah,
it could run off that.
You can run off hardware.
It's already set up so the Wi-Fi is here.
Yeah. For the building.
Now, if I'm leaving, if the truck's moving around,
yeah,
there's not a Wi-Fi in it.
That's the thing. There's not a Wi-Fi in it if the truck is moving around, but guess what? Every single phone now has mobile hotspot. So Normally what happens is the person jumping in the truck, you got to go, okay, set up your phone this way. But lots of people just don't know how to
They
use
don't know
phones.
how to do them.
They don't know how to do any of that stuff. So we can talk to that device. We can text message and go, hey, what Wi-Fi is within range? Oh, we can see Bob's iPhone is within range. Hey, Bob, what's the password for your iPhone? Oh, it's 1234567. Okay, yeah, now it's programmed for your phone.
Right.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that means we can deal with the fringe case of drivers that just don't know anything about tech.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so you can be live, online, real time.
That's easy. I've been rolling that something like that.
Yes.
They don't like this. They
Oh, the guys,
that.
well, no, it's just too big. They're looking for something that's a smaller form factor. But what they don't understand is, or just don't know, is that the thing about trucks, the more you can get things that are power fluctuation tolerant and vibration tolerant,
right?
That thing there is 12 volt, but it will withstand down to 10 volt and up to 24.
Ah.
So when your truck has a little hiccup and the alternator does something weird, you're not going to fry the computer.
Right.
Where if you take a regular 5 volt 3 amp device, plug it into your cigarette lighter, sooner or later you're going to fry it.
Yeah, exactly.
So
eventually you're going to fry the fuck out.
Yeah. So where this thing is it's fanless, so there's no fan to break down. The modem is built right in, so if you want to upgrade it to 4G and get it on a data plan, you can do that. But if you're cost conscious and you want to just go program it for people's hotspot as they jump into the truck, you can also do that.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is a hot device right here.
This is a hot device.
So this doesn't do anything. It doesn't have SMS.
Yeah,
this is basically for sliding.
Yeah, so the regular SAM sticks, we've got thousands of those out in the field. And my biggest problem is when people phone up and they go, oh, it doesn't work. You're like, well, did you change your Wi-Fi, your network? Oh yeah, we changed it last week. Well, okay. You're like, well, what can you help us get connected to your Wi-Fi? Well, I don't know the password. You guys got to figure that out. Click. So people expect us to magically be able to reprogram things through this pixie fairy dust of no internet. So that's what this is. This is the pixie fairy dust of no internet required. We can reprogram devices.
You can reprogram it right there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Finish building.
That is awesome.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, stop recording. That was great. You did a great job of setting things up in Las Vegas. Well done. Cool. Well done, Rolly. Well done, Harvey.